this is Ryan again. Today I'm gonna make my own drum kit. And this one is very special because I'm gonna make this drum kit with recycled waste. Before I start making my drum set, let me talk about the drum parts first. A basic drum set consists of 3 parts: a bass drum, snare drum, and a hi-hat, plus tom-toms and cymbals, which are optional. First, I'll find out the item that sounds like the bass drum, and the bass drum sounds like this. Very low-pitched sound. Let me test out all the stuff with my toy drumsticks. Oh, this plastic milk bottle would be perfect for my bass drum. Next, let's find the item for the snare drum, and the snare drum sounds like this. It's not perfect, but I think this plastic container sounds quite similar. Now this is the tricky one, the hi-hat, and the hi-hat sounds like this. And these 2 neck handles will do. And my dad is gonna put them together because they are very sharp. Next, we need tom-toms. Tom-toms make very clear sounds, and the tom-toms sound like this. And I'm gonna use this balloon for the head and this container for the body. First, I need to pop this balloon and cut the neck. Then stretch the round part over the top of the container. Lastly, for the cymbal, let me just use this canton because this canton is only made of metal. Ta-da! Here's my drum set made out of recyclable waste. Now let me play my drum to some music. Daddy, rock and roll!
Go!
Wow, it's so fun! Hope you enjoy my drum set and my music. See you again. Bye!